Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm using my grandmother's phone, yes, because as I told you guys, my storage is full and yeah, it's full of vlogs and videos. So now I cannot make any more vlogs on my phone until I have uploaded all of it onto TikTok and YouTube. But you know that I uploaded onto TikTok, but then after it's already on YouTube, I delete it from TikTok. But anyway, guys. So I'm not at school today. I think we are writing again today. We have already started writing and all of that. But yeah, don't think just because it's Eid. I'm at home today. It's not necessary. It was not necessary for me to be at home, but just because most of the kids will be at home today, so that's why I decided not to go to school. And my grandmother did ask me, do I want to go to school today or not? So I said, no, I don't want to. So yeah. So yesterday I just got out of school, got out of my school clothes and got into pajamas. Then I had coffee and, yeah. So it was a very long day yesterday at school because I've been going to school for the last 3 days. And yeah. And today I decided not to go. So yeah. Yeah, and I've been vlogging for the last 3 days, and today I'm finally gonna make a proper vlog because I have my grandmother's phone. And as you can see, I'm in pajamas, and I just came from the bathroom. Stomach working, so I had to go to the bathroom. Yeah, always the bathroom, guys. But anyway, this morning, like at midnight, it was still midnight. So I had to get up to relieve myself, but it was morning, but it was dark outside and it was midnight. So I had to get up, relieve myself, and then I got back to bed. And then I was lying, but I wasn't sleeping because after I was done doing that, I couldn't go back to sleep. So I was just scrolling through the phone and watching vlogs, watching people are eating too much and all of that. And yeah, and then and then I was just watching vlogs and TikTok and all, and then I was just busy making vlogs. But now I cannot make any more vlogs on my phone because my storage is full. So that's why I've decided until all the vlogs and the videos is onto my channels, I will be making vlogs on my grandmother's phone. So yeah, guys, this is how the morning started. My morning started at midnight. I got up I did relieve myself, and then after I was done, came back to bed. I couldn't go back to sleep again, so I was just sitting up the whole time. But it was already morning, but it was still dark outside. So yeah, and then I was just laying and scrolling through the phone because I couldn't go back to sleep. After I was done in the morning relieving myself, I had some water, and then came back to bed, yes, and then after that I started scrolling through the phone because I was sitting up, so I had to put this gown on. So yeah. So I didn't do much yet, and then my grandmother also got up, and then she was getting ready. I don't know for what, but yeah, she's gonna go somewhere, but not now. She always goes somewhere, but anyway, they say the water is going off. But anyway, guys. Last time it was our power, and now it's the water. But now my grandmother is preparing herself for that, so it's fine. And then I've been sitting up since this morning. So my driver came this morning. He thought I was going to school, but my grandmother did send him a message yesterday already to say that I'm not coming to school tomorrow, like today. But he anyway came, so yeah, my grandmother had to tell him I'm not coming to school today. So yeah, I was already up and I couldn't go back to sleep. So my grandmother made me a cup of black coffee. So I had a cup of black coffee. I made a short video about it. And yeah, and then I've been just sitting here and then just scrolling through the phone because I have nothing else to do. I haven't started any routine yet. I came just now from the bathroom again, and now I'm just sitting here. I'm starting with the vlog, and yeah, I have nothing else to do. I haven't started a routine yet, but maybe that will be a little bit later. Not now. Yeah, and then yeah, I think I'm gonna now go ahead and listen to music. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that because I have nothing else to do. Yeah, probably tomorrow I'm going back to school. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to school tomorrow, and so yeah, guys.